And now we just begin the process of going within. Feel comfortable just closing your eyes, or just a soft, gentle gaze. And just letting go of the day and all the questions and all the concerns. And just spending a little bit of time this morning in communion with the divine. And just relax. Just tell yourself, I relax. I relax my mind. I relax my body. I let go of the day so that I can be fully present now. Maybe take a little bit of a deep breath and then just let it out. And then maybe one more deep breath. And then just let it out. All the worries, all the concern, anything that's not serving you, you just get to let it go. And it's in this space of silence where we go. It's in this space of silence where we get to meet Spirit. It's here where we can feel like we're being held. It's here where we can bring our concerns and our troubles, our thoughts, our prayers. It's in the sacred place. And it's in the silence of our own minds. It's in the silence where we can simply be. Where we could imagine this white light coming down and just surrounding us, filling us, healing us, transforming us, knowing that we are loved, knowing that we can be healed, knowing that whatever in our hearts, that we can place them in the hands of God. As you hear Spirit whisper, let it go, let it go, let it go. And so just imagine placing those concerns in your own hands as you visualize it. Just imagine holding your hands out and releasing whatever it is into God's hands. And just saying, thank you, Spirit. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. And then hear Spirit say to you, let me in, let me in, let me in. And feel Spirit coming into you and filling you with the love of God. Let it do what it knows what to do. Let it go where it needs to go. All you need to do is receive. Just receive. And just feel that love rise within you and fill you more and fill you more and fill you more. And now it's with all that love that you get to share that, and you get to send it wherever you'd like to send it. Friends, family, new babies, your critters, Mother Earth, grandfather, son, a situation that's going on in your life or somebody else's. An event that's taking place on this planet, maybe a certain place you want to send it. There are no limits to where you can send this love. There are no limits to what this love can do. Let it go. Send your blessings now. And now, as we begin the process of slowly coming back to the room, we just take a moment and say, thank you, God. Thank you for this time. Thank you for all the gifts that you've given me, the ones that I know about, the ones that I don't see. Thank you for the time. Thank you for the space. Thank you for these people. Thank you for holding me and letting me know it's okay. Thank you for letting me feel you. Thank you for all of my blessings. And now as you come back into the room, back into your seat,